So I'm about to head home right now. I just got off. It's midnight currently, and I'm gonna go home right now. It's like 30-minute drive. The weather is terrible. So cold, dude. I don't even know if the bike's gonna turn on for real. Yeah, I got no clue this bike's gonna turn on. I gotta crank this shit. Oh my goodness, the kill switch is on. Oh my god. Alright, we got it.